Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Anthem from JamToursAfrica.com family. And today, guys, I'm actually, I'm at the Loftel today. I'm in a studio today, family. For the second time, I will be in the studio today, guys. So we just want to carry that footage, family. I show you what one. We have planned. They have put everything together for the Caribbean brunch to give you a mad stage performance. Europe will go on this and call this. You know what I mean? So look out, guys.
Specify King Selassie still hold the crown.
Yeah, family. I don't know how Jam Tours Africa now there. I want to show you. You know what I mean? The Loftel apartment. There have a lot of Jamaicans and Caribbean people. And people from the Diaspora. From the Americas living over here. So come and live at this place, family. Trust me, you feel at home.
My precisions are so.
As you know, guys, the Loftel already sold out. Studio apartment, 1 bedroom, 3 bedrooms sold out. We only have 2 bedroom family, and they have an offer right now, guys, where you can pay 50% down and get 8 months to repay. And within that 8 months, they actually are going to rent the place for you. And when they finish pay, they give you back the rent that they collect, family. So that's the last plan, that's the last option for you to live in this place.
Much more life when me I give thanks for. Sophisticated and sound, verbal well profound. Suffering and play, receding my home ground.
Yeah, family. So Rasta actually, they're on the other side. I'm actually, they're on the same side. We go to Nairobi from Gong Road right now, so we're just picking him on the way, family. So it's like a celebrity day today in Kenya, family. We're rolling out in the studio, so let's go.
I'm trending, and I'm not bending.
Fly.
The police are
Voodoo, you do, big rich, man all about voodoo. Voodoo, you do. Nowadays every man can't pango.
Yeah, family, so we're there. Yeah, man. So tell them where yourself, artists, we're there. That's the first studio recording, on levels. Because we have some choreographer I want to put in the thing too. So I want to be a flag, man.
Alright. Why the flag man?
Oh, you know, so I want a flag man.
I would tell you, no.
I be the flag man, so
we don't want no man.
When you say two princess,
Two
change
princess.
it.
Yeah,
Two princess, so here's the flag.
Ricardo,
the man say we not send text enough.
Yeah,
Andrea, we are sent.
Straight up. No flag man.
Instagram and Spotify, Facebook and Wi-Fi, Hotspot, WeChat, WhatsApp and TikTok. For all them social media, network giant social leader. Them setting up infestation, all them need are just information. I'm trending, wherever it is.
You tie your flag? Yo, something wrong. But we are get it over with.
I must show you your blood. You're my boss. You're jump like the one.
Spending, and I'm trending. Hey, my Google account not pending. Trending, wherever it is. Spending, and I'm not pending. Try just blending. And if you can't find your mother, go. And if you don't know your father, go. And if you don't know your last name, go. Want a trip on a fast plane, go. Get lost.
Next day.
Expiation. Chop.
Lift it up. We have to lift up that carrier to make him put on the wheel, you know.
All the way in and tight.
Yeah, man, we're good, man. We are tight to the proper.
That ain't right.
Here's a price. If you fight a man and him lose him teeth, and you have to pay whether you're right or wrong.
I'm still loving people. I'm still loving life. Loving life. Loving people. Loving people. Loving life just create man, it's so fantastic. Babylon come around them acting sarcastic, trying to brainwash us and kill us with trick. And it's a mental game to a brain they change click. Listen this song to you, them come and sing righteousness and blessings and joy this one I bring. I'm appealing to the queens and king. When the people hear the one of the years of suffering. Loving life, loving people, loving people, people full of life. I'm still loving life. I'm still loving people. I'm still loving people.
So right now we're going into the studio where we're gonna do the rehearsal.
For sure.
Treasure Man in person. I'm there with the Dan Romesh. I'm here to Ricardo. I'm there with the cameraman himself. He's now gonna turn the camera upon himself. My lord!
I'm still loving people. From the bliss of life and saving my gratitude, love and faith.
Big up. Third score.
Africa, you know, security for surety.
Yeah. Take notes what for life within to his code. And only King Selassie will life place for vote.
You see me? And the man needs to play the drum.
Take notes what for life within to his code. And only King Selassie will life place for vote. Loving life, loving people, loving people.
Yeah, but I'm a real big man this, you see me? Chop chop boss. Yeah.
Chop chop.
And this man make the thing work, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, alright. Been a little while, you never see me face. But me come around, me want to take me place. Me not go take my ears, me still a hold me place.
Paradise Lost. On Cambridge Road family. Caribbean Church. Next edition is gonna be hard. You're gonna get a live performance by the big artists in Kenya.
February 15th here.
Loving life, loving people, loving people, loving life.
Yeah, the studio is rehearsing studio. The spot.
Is the spot.
We make magic.
You create magic.
Yeah. We create magic right here.
Sure.
That them say music is life.
Music is life.
Music. So at this point we're gonna take a little break. And you know, the break to break the cake.
Yeah,
Because life is great.
Life is great for sure.
My love, hey, Nairobi, Kenya, here I am. I can't wait to be under your sun, taking my stand. What's my name? Treasure Man.
Yeah, family. So I'm a cameraman, guys. So I'm record the session.
Yeah, what's up?
Pictures, man, come soon.
Yeah.
Just it, man.
Just it.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I said, you know, we just take a little break.
What you say?
But now, the cake is big.
Yeah, energize up, Romish.
A jam tour, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, in Kenya, the biggest thing.
Yeah,
you see me, I
sure.
said? So from Jamaica to Africa, Africa to Jamaica, oneness.
One connection. Let's go, Papa.
Really?
Yeah, guys.
And then now you roll again.
Yeah, to job in the glory. Ricardo.
Yeah, family.
Family power.
Again, with the first one.
Yeah.
Better sound.
Music only.
The first one.
My lad, hey,
Same song.
Inspiration and spiritual gift sending by Jah down to the prophet, like King David to I treasure. Sacramental stress, the music revealed. Embrace my queen and our king. And bird concept, righteous thing, a spiritual and spirit. Music only, music only.
Chef Ricardo. Only man who like King Selassie, cheer up! Alright. Get up. You know myself, you know. Alright, we're gonna go for sardine. And all for one damn thing. Jump towards with the turbo Tommy. Then take right on with. Look, when they go suffering, oh yeah. Hey, be honest. When they go suffering, oh yeah. Watch it up. Listen. A long time man a suffer. Do me want to kill us on the dope, man a buffer. This a man can't came up with the butter. You a buffer, you fish up that little utter. I know what the priest on the buffer. Break a step through the gutter with the gutter. Your life sleep, but feeling like proper. Real feeling like proper. Jump! Take food we are eat again. We can't even be the friends. I walk in a life and system. Discuss it all with them. There we are reach to them. But we not see a preach to them. Long time them the righteous. Them must be starting. But the day I ride down with.
I'm going to big up Ricardo. Yeah, man. John Tour. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Next one.
Which one is?
Yes, mama, we got you.
Yes, mama, we got you.
Hey, mama, we got you. Yes, mama, we got you. Hey, mama, we got you. Like the torch and the liberty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. side, Mama Africa smile. Anti-Dan get to the north, different grown. Africa for Africa, whether abroad or home. People without a nation to call your own. Living as a mix, without a soul. What it up? Our stars. Big president, the golden man. Silver line shining under dark, my African uniform like the American flag. Hey mama, we got you. Yes mama, we got you. Hey mama, we got you. Don't you worry, don't you make you wait at you. Hey mama, we got you. Yes mama, we got you. Hey mama, we got you.
Lying in the hot island. Then those the chick clean never smile.
But you look like a hot island.
Yeah, man.
You know me.
Caribbean brunch, that's a freestyle. Them can't never stop my shine and my step. Real Rasta man, I make a try, yeah. Them can't never stop my shine and my grip. Real Rasta man, I make a step, no. One day I Kenya with treasure man, yeah. One day I Kenya with treasure man, yeah. Down tours in there upon the land, yeah. John Rock, them they bring it back, yeah. One love Africa as the strong, yeah. Mama Africa as she and the one, yeah. Every money, every music we got, yeah. We are blood 2085, yeah. We touch the road, on the gun, on the side, yeah. Tell me what of them see me and a smile, yeah. Don't say no text, yeah. Don't say no text, yeah. Message everybody, get it, get it. Hey!
Mama, we got you. Thank you.
Alright, mama, we got to the end.
Now what in your blackness? Pan-African music. Hey, Ricardo. Need it done, Moses. Melanin. Right more than melanin gold. Melanin can't be bought. Hey, you can't ready before me ready. I'll be listening by the one day.
Yeah.
My love. You ready?
You go with the artist.
You ready?
Yeah.
So when me attack, you have to listen.
Just keep intro to my talk. So you have to sing, we just run it.
So jump tour.
Yeah.
Ricardo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Lion Band.
Lion Band.
We don't know set.
Yeah.
Keep it rolling. We don't know set.
Yeah, melody.
Melody.
Work more.
That man and gold.
For sure.
Melody. Can't be bought to the soul. You heard? That's my word.
Yeah.
Black gold and genuine.
Yeah.
Black and beautiful melanin.
Hey.
Knew from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like cherubim. Black gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melanin.
Yeah.
Know from long time the first of mankind. Preserve life like a real black gold, genuine soul, walking scroll from days of gold, ready from gold. Now in the world I lose myself. A million together, that's a billion blackness. Billion poor show up a billion blackness. Billion actors with a billion practice. Billion families and the most of the guys. Black people know your black self. Black gold of candy, black shell. Black medicine preserve black wealth. Black riches preserve black wealth. Black gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the verse of mankind. Preserve life and therapy. Black gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melanin. Know from long time the verse of mankind. Preserve life and therapy. One son, black son, my daughter's a black son. Put on the shout
all that keep out in my life like a scarecrow. No food they don't know. Work hard like no sun. Being on the star road, no space jumping. Life, borrow, live, borrow. Focus on the future, not just for tomorrow. Pain, sorrow, guns, borrow. Prison, war, peace, hell, play. Stress and distress, and so stress can't express. I just need judge of blessings. Hands off the days in this place where you wait, judge and teach us a lesson. What was that? So far we are so far. So far we are so far. And you feel distress and distress and so stress. Yeah, cause cover. Never sweet, right wine, so like right leg. Ketchup on white legs, what are they to fight legs? Yours, that's right, you got to get to upgrade. Shipping on the apron, but we're up under the scotch bread. Mama wanted the dinner, someone got to cook the pot red. June have to flick, someone got to match the chop straight. Anytime I end the day, we have to hit the spotlight. All of my friends, them off the rich, we have to be alright. That's the look, that's right, nice sweet to that right. Big up all the get a yodo. All the stuff!
Next track.
Next track.
You know how we do it. Yeah.
That's how we do it.
Africa.
Live and direct.
Mama Africa. The real black gold.
Alright.
The genuine black gold. You see what me I say?
Yeah.
I will track next, my big man. What a track in my lad?
Musical.
Musical, okay.
So yeah, this one. A lot of people forget themselves, you see what me I say?
Yeah.
After we see what I want. Yeah. My life. Hey, let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam.
Let's jam. Hey, hey, let's jam.
money make the world go round. All around and come back around. I just do money make the world go round. I just do money. Hey, for them nigga, you will never like this. You will have a good tune and a winner right this. For my local one, it's a like this. And I make a dream, you will fight this. You never learn this, never play, never feel like anything type this. Just shoot money, no matter for one, sell out, one sell out. Below, I ain't this God.
Let's try, let's try.
You want to make a baby?
Yeah, love.
You want to eat some good food? You want to eat the food right now. You want to wear the clothes and everything and everything. More compatible, much more reliable. I can't. Love. More compatible, much more reliable. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, give me a little faster, no problem. Yeah. Anyway, give me my good enough. But you know, turn it up.
Walking in the shoes of love. I'm cruising in the groove of love. If I don't love, then we're not dead, eh? Yeah. No. Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. With it. More compatible, much more reliable. You ready? Love. More compatible, much more reliable. Love. A universal love. More compatible, much more reliable. Love. Are you ready? Yeah. Hey. So preserve like my farm, like my vegetable, like my herb, like my kind. Love is so preserve like my farm. You love like my uniform. Love is to preserve like my farm, like my vegetable, like my herb, like my kind. Love is like my farm. We love like my. Root love, don't on my boot love, while up on the soup love, just to fool the youth love. Them sell me youth love, to me beer the fruit love, then the joy of the fruit love. find another man. I really thought this girl is the one, but she proved to me that my loving was wrong. I didn't even know what we do to she, make she leaving me and gone down to eat. But the girl that's supposed to be my wife to me, but you hurt my seat. So we just listen, I love the one, the love herself, the tell herself, the love herself. Don't put the one above the youth. So the love the one, the stop herself, the tell herself, the love herself. Don't put the one above the youth. Just a lot I give it love, everywhere we get love. If I love, we shoot a love. If I food, we eat a love. Jump towards a preach a love. Jump back to eat a love. Your rest of man a love. Already we are love. I'm food, my other love. And I'm the shoes, my other love. I'm the shirt, my other love. I'm the kiss, my other love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm never tell them no.
Yeah.
I'm never read up the time we dream about. Things we dream about. Yeah. Some people only dreaming, but we are doing it in a real life. Things some people dream about. Them dreaming, but me and Ricardo,
We are doing it in a real life.
Yeah.
Doing it in a real life.
dream
We got the
life.
money, the cars, we got the money. We got everything, the peace, we got the honey. We got Jaja youths, stand beside me. We have the straight card, Rasta couldn't funny. No in a valley, no in a valley. No pop the pill, go away the money. Hey, them a laugh, they can't take me in a coffee. Yo, man, get up, read the daily book. Hey, man, not be good, man, not be good. Well, the one that can be good, man, not be good. And the international, go to Africa. Let's go look at this one.
Dreamland. We are doing it in real life.
Real life.
When them asleep and I think and I dream about that, we are doing it in a real life. Where them feel like we're living a real life.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Don't wanna make talk about me. Wanna make to sing about me. Wanna make come to jump about me. I can see drama, what are you doing? Waiting for me. Oh, talking with me. Oh, I know where you're from. I hear your man, king. Try and sick like a Jamaican, oh, what up, I don't know, this is the flag for women.
Jamaican flag.
Jamaican flag and the sea of the Jamaican flag. We talk to me with your what I tell them. I think it's our but what you my brother Rick is that now you give me right, give me bang, 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 bang. Thank you, Rick, for bringing me to the end. Give me a microphone.
Emperor Selassie, I live in this universe. Yeah. Sophisticated and sound, my verbal well profound. Sovereign and promptly, proceeding my own ground. My precisions are specified, King Selassie still hold the crown. Don't be a spasm cause only two lions could lift the crown. Sophisticated and sound, my verbal well profound. Sovereign and promptly, proceeding my own ground. My precisions are specified, King Selassie still hold the crown.